Well, today our video is how to add side shortcut to Google Chrome homepage. For this, you'll come here on this plus sign, add shortcut. Click on this and write, for example, which site you add to the Google Chrome's. You will write its name here. For example, I add YouTube multi-downloader online site. Yeah. Oh. Right. Yeah. In the second bar, you'll copy its URL and paste here. Yes, done. Wow, it's added. Yeah, this was how to add side shortcut to Google Chrome homepage. For more learning videos, subscribe our channel. Thank you.